Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple wing install on the Mark 1. A couple of weeks ago I ordered a wing from Europe and it arrived today, so I'm pretty excited. I got a little too excited and I did mock it up before I start recording. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I did here. Obviously right now it's just held up with tape. Just because I wanted to see how the fitment was and how easy it would be to actually, get a good alignment and install. So as you can see, I just got some notes here for my hardware that I'm gonna be using, and also it came with this hardware, and I want to get something a little better than that for those. Now I've made myself a couple of notes here and a couple of dimensions, so I went ahead and marked those out, and then I'm gonna see if they actually work. And this is gonna be the hardware I'm gonna be using. They are M6 bolts and finish washers, and I'm gonna be drilling these holes. And I'm gonna be using a rivet gun to get rib nuts to install to the actual hatch. Now I'm not sure this is gonna be the permanent way to install it, so I'm not gonna put any. Usually I guess I would put rubber in between the metal and the fiberglass unit, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that just now, because I'm not sure that's the way I'm gonna keep it, or the height that I'm gonna keep it. So for now it's just gonna be a little bit of trial and error, and see how this goes. So my rib nuts are in place. I'm gonna go ahead and test fit this. It should be just fine, but you know, you never know. So anyway guys, I got the car outside. That's what I was talking about with this being pretty dang on. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave the car warming up because I haven't been here in a couple of days. So it's been cold out the last few days. So I'm gonna leave it here warming up, and I'll see you guys on the next video.